So I'm going to show you guys how to make an audio visualizer. I've already done this once. Well, I recorded it, but I didn't record the audio of this screen. So I'm back to doing it again. Yeah, so while we do script dot size is equal to vector 3 new, and then get the size of it, and then game.workspace.ncs.playback loudness multiplied by 50, and make it anchored and collide off, and then run, and then it moves. Okay, and then if you change it a little bit by like lowering or make it higher, yeah, so we make these all different colors. Obviously these are stupid colors, but if we make them all different numbers too, then it'll be a little different depending on the things. So then we'll just make one that fades. Well, it's not really a fade, it's more like it just messes with the transparency. Game.workspace.ncs.playback loudness divided by 1,000. Yeah, so if you make this bigger, it'll obviously change the way it does its stuff. So now it makes it a lighter, or it'll make it not as so transparent. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you make an audio visualizer. You can mess with this a lot. You just use these sounds, playback, loudness, and yeah, you can make if statements too. So like if it's a higher value than it should be, then change it. So I guess we'll do that with one of these. So let's just do an if statement. So if game.workspace.ncs.playback loudness is greater than 200, then we're going to set that. So it's only when it's loud. Something up. Okay, try that again. Yeah, so you guys can just mess with the code, obviously. yeah, I hope this helped you guys. If you guys have any questions on it, you guys can post them in the comments, and I'll get back to you or make a video on it. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. See ya.